Hello and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my garlic bread pizza. So first thing you'll need is some thick sliced garlic bread that's already buttered and seasoned. And you can use regular pizza sauce or you can use regular spaghetti sauce. I started out making these with plain old white bread back in the day and used my leftover spaghetti sauce instead of pizza sauce. So you can't go wrong with whatever you choose to make your little pizzas out of. But I do recommend, if you are using white bread, to toast your bread before adding any sauce, or your pizzas are going to be super soggy in the middle and you're not going to like that very much. So now what I'm doing is I'm adding my mozzarella cheese on top of my sauce there. If any of you all have been with me a while, you know I love my cheese. So now I'm adding my pepperoni, and that's all I'm going to add to my pizzas. But you can add any type of toppings that you like on your pizzas. So my husband decided he wanted some after I started making them, so I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch as I make his. So now what you'll do is you're going to put your pizzas in a 375-degree oven until the top is golden brown and bubbly and it's nice and crispy on the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. If you did, hit that like button and please do consider subscribing to this channel, as this helps my channel to grow. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming recipes. Until next time, bye-bye now.